What's up, beautiful people? This is Mike from Mike Gets Well and hope you're having an amazing day. I'm making this video to just give you guys the update on what happened lately with the Samsung QN90B model that I have in the 65-inch. So I uploaded the video about the issue I was having. I had the pink and purple tint on the content no matter what I play on the TV applications or using HDMI. And I have to take it to the Best Buy, and I have the Total Tech protection with them, and it's been only 5 days, so they just can take it back and give me the brand new one as a replacement. But they tried to fix it using my Geek Squad, the warranty system that they have with the Best Buy, and I have the Total Tech protection, which gives me 24 months of extended warranty on the TVs. So they were actually able to fix it, but then they offered me if I wanted to get the new TV for my satisfaction as a replacement, because the previous one already had that issue happen. So they were generous enough and they let me take a brand new TV, which is right here, and it is the Samsung QN90B, and what a gorgeous display it is. Literally, with all what that bitter taste that happened with the screen, I'm in love with the colors and the brightness out of the screen. It is one of the brightest models I'm sure it's going to be for the year. Right now it is the brightest for 2022. It's hitting about 25 to 2600 nits in the vivid mode, just for a tad bit. Then in the movie picture mode, I calculated about 1500 plus nits. So this is going to be amazing contender for all the LCD TVs out there. And also, what I'm trying to do here is, now I have the TV, it is set up like this. I'm comparing it with the LG OLED G1 and the QN90B here, and also I'm going to be comparing it with the last year model, which I have, the QN90A. This looks stunning and it's just beautiful, but right now it's in the control lighting like this. I have the blinds totally, shut. But we're going to be testing it against the OLED and see how does it perform, when you have whole bunch of like ambient lighting. So I have big bright windows. I'm going to open all these blinds, and then we're going to run the test and see how good this TV can perform against the OLED. I'm sure it's going to perform better than OLED because of the brightness it has, but stay tuned for it, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to do that. I have lots of coming content on the channel, so you really don't want to miss out. And look at that bright screen. See, the camera gets overexposed because it's super bright. So that's all I have from this video. We're going to be kicking in with the comparisons. Make sure to hit the like on this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in another one. Until then, peace out.